Need extra assurance on your DocuSign agreements? Let's add a witness signature field to ensure legal compliance and validation. First, log into your DocuSign account and select the document you need to add a witness signature to. Once your document is open, you'll be in the editing interface here. Add your initial recipients who need to sign. These will be the primary signers of the document. Now, click the Add Recipient button in the Recipient Type drop-down menu. Select Needs to Witness. Next, enter the name and email address of your witness. This ensures the witness receives a notification to sign the document. Now, navigate to the left-hand panel and drag and drop the signature field to the appropriate spot where you want the witness to sign. It's also a good idea to add a date sign field near the signature field for the witness to indicate the date of their signature. Review your document to ensure all fields are correctly placed for both the primary signers and the witness. Finally, click the Send button. Your document will be sent to all recipients, including the witness. In the order you specified, DocuSign will guide each person through the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully added a witness signature to your DocuSign document. This extra step strengthens your agreements for better legal compliance.